They'll worry about how to transport your goods, your supersize machine, your stone, your sand or something. The Chengchuan truck now is taking you a good news. Look at those follow T7 trucks from our factory. It's one for automative power, minty shape, strong horsepower. Guess somebody can't wait to own this totally 100% made in China tractor truck, right? From HOWO, A7 to T7 Sitiak, various old models are provided by us. Believe it or not, its function is better than imagination. Any interest? Why don't tell me horsepower and from which year? Customize your color, give you RHD or LHD, two choice. Come on, get it. Don't be a watcher, be a mover. It's not ordinary.